Hello everyone, this is your teacher, Mrs. Miller. I'm missing all of you and I hope you all are safe. I know it's strange times and it's going to be really hard that we don't get to meet together anymore, but I wanted to show you a couple of things about the class. If you go into your campus website and go to the module button and click on modules, then you'll come to this page and we will start where we left off, which would be Module 5 on memory and thinking and language. And so the PowerPoints are here, and so you're going to be responsible for reading the PowerPoints each week in the chapter. I will be doing quick 5 to 10 minute lecture videos, and then I will also be doing Zoom sessions for each class. And so I'll have a Zoom session probably on Wednesdays at 1 when our class usually meets for 30 minutes. And that's just optional if you want to show up. But for questions or for more clarification. So each module will have what you have to do for that module. So it'll be generally an assignment and a quiz. So you would have to be responsible for reading the material and looking over the PowerPoints. And then again, I will be sending out lecture videos, but not very long ones, just something that can highlight the points of that module. We all are just going to have to do the best we can in this environment. So please email me or come to the first Zoom session that we will have to ask questions. If you don't have access to the internet or a computer, then please let me know and we can make arrangements to help you.